Hey guys, it's Bill from HoloModels RC. Today I'm going to fly F-22 from tomhe.net. There are free plans you can download. This is another model I've had for a while. I probably got maybe about 80 flights on this thing, literally. When I built this, it's supposed to be made out of 6mm Depron, if I remember correctly. I printed it at 100% plan size. It's all hand painted. What I did differently was the entire thing is sandwiched 2 layers of foam board, and I did that for the entire aircraft, including the elevons, with the exception of this box on the bottom. In retrospect, I regret doing that, and I wish I would have done it for the majority of it, but maybe had a KF airfoil and left the wings and the elevons only one thick, because I think my all-up weight with an 1800 battery is around like 1600 grams maybe, as opposed to the RC Power airplanes, which they come in between 8 to 1200. I think 800 is without the battery, about 825 for the MiG, maybe 900 for the T50. So it's a little underpowered, unfortunately. They're not as much power that I'd like to have. Again, for my mid-mounted pushers, I like to use a 2836 1500 kV found on Amazon for about $16, $17. This model, I have a 40 amp ESC, and it's one of them black ones, those cheap guys that you find on Amazon. I haven't had a problem with it for this model, and I'm about to fly it on 4S, so it does like to get hot. I just don't fly it more than once or twice in a row. Actually, I have flown it a couple times in a row before when it was getting dark trying to get flights in, but I try not to do that ever since I've had a fire on one of them. So I got my timer set up for about 3 minutes, because unfortunately I fly this thing just about flat out the whole time. I like how it flies though. This is the model that got me into the profile mid-mount pushers. They're easy to put together. Another airplane I've flown in the rain. Alright, here we go. That orange and black tiger stripes really shows up nice in the air. Now with this airplane, I think it's because maybe the weight, but when I try to high alpha, it always wants to wing over to the right. It's a little windy today. It's elevons only. It's a little too heavy to climb straight up. Apologize for the camera I have on my head. And the wind keeps changing direction on me.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
That's it. RC Powers, or excuse me, TomHE.net F-22 profile. Mid-mounted pusher.